How to lock and unlock recently deleted photos on iPhone. Want to protect your deleted photos from unauthorized access? In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to lock and unlock the recently deleted album on your iPhone using Face ID. First, open the Photos app and scroll down to the Utilities section. Tap on Recently Deleted and check if there's a lock icon. If there isn't, anyone can access those photos, but you can easily fix that. Go to your iPhone settings and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode when prompted. Make sure Face ID is already set up. If not, set it up first, as it's required to lock this folder. Next, scroll down in Settings and tap on Photos. Then enable the toggle for Use Face ID. This will protect both the hidden and recently deleted albums. Now, go back to the Photos app and you'll see a lock icon next to Recently Deleted. Tap on it and your iPhone will use Face ID to unlock the album. If at any time you want to remove this protection, just toggle off Use Face ID in the Photos settings. And that's it, your deleted photos are now private and secure. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.